Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, March 22, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, March 22, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng March 22, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, March 22, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649 for March 22, 2026 Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, March 22, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.